What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Mr. 2R2C, back at you again with some Camaro footage this time and a little bit of an update. But really, I got some hot footage from my boy Jason's shop out in Concord, California, talking about some Mecum auction, Barrett Jackson type quality cars there. So you guys are going to enjoy this footage that you're about to see right now. I'm going to keep the intro short. Stay on topic about the main thing, the supercharger with the griptec 2.45 pulley. Well, let's go ahead and take a look and see how he did, and let's check out his shop. Thanks for watching. Tune in, drop those comments, subscribe. You know the regular. Thanks a lot.
As I'm walking into the shop, I'm gonna end up talking to my guy a little bit, so I'll stop some footage, and then after that I'll walk back up and hopefully I can get a nice clean footage of everything that's up in here. Jay, what's up my man? Well, here we go. I'm in the shop. Yeah, so we got this classic Chevy truck right here. He's getting ready to go out so he can get his firewall done, all shaved up. Took out the 350. He's gonna go with an LS3, maybe a C notch on there too. You know, get that nice little tuck, nice little clean build here. Got that 5.0 motor for you Ford boys over here. Look at this, how we're doing it. Frame off, baby. Frame off. Frame sitting right over here. That's how you do it. And that's the motor from the truck right over there. Look at this badass Chevelle up here on top of the rack. We got this other baby sitting down here. She's ready to go. There was something sweet under this bay when I was here last time. Unfortunately, I don't got that. Let's check out this exhaust on this Camaro. Nice little suspension upgrades there. Cool little X-pipe setup. Haha. Now this is like my era when I was growing up as a kid. 5.0. That notchback. Highway 50s. This thing is beautiful. Super clean, super clean. Look, she's got some dust on her. That's just probably a little bit of fluid leak. That's not a bad paint job or anything. This thing is clean as hell. Then look at this GT500 right here. I already know he's modern under the hood. It's got that Coyote motor up under there. This is the owner's ride. Fucking badass, I gotta tell you. My boy JB, he's out here doing it big. Chevelle, drop top, 70, 4G auto rims. Oh, but look at this beauty. I mean, God. This is the top notch of Ford to me. Come on, if you're a Chevy guy, you can't hate on this. Oh, look at that hood. That's pretty dope. This is for the Chevelle. That's up here on the rack. Actually, right here on the rack. Nice. Look at the setup on there. Very clean. But this Shelby right here is just awesome. Look, 4G autos again. Nothing but clean whips. Nothing but clean whips. Guys, I am giving you a treat. Check this out. If you like this video, please subscribe, follow, put the notification bell on, all that good stuff. I am hooking you guys up with some major eye candy in here. This place is just on point. It is a car lover's dream. If you're into American muscle cars, this spot right here is just on a whole nother level. Give you a little peek in the inside there. Wow, straight beauty. I'm really feeling this blue. Looks like this Camaro, this first unit's got a nice stance on it. Sorry I'm a little bit close, guys, for you to actually see. but those gaps look good. The way the door's sitting there. Man, this Impala's clean as hell though. Nice brake booster upgrade. Got ceramic coated headers on here. Looks like a brand new LS3 motor. This thing is brand new, I can tell for sure. Be cool radiator system probably. Oh, look, they got the purple people eater right here. This Silverado. You getting that out of state business, baby. She's purple. Oh, but look. Now this is one thing about modern cars. We delete the chrome. But when you got a classic beauty like this, damn, that chrome looks so sexy. I mean, look at this grill area. That is hidden. I wouldn't change a damn thing about it. I wouldn't change anything. Look, transmissions galore. Just in here, ready for that work. Let's go ahead and check out this little step side. This truck. Beautiful set of rims. Look like it's sitting right. Oh, I wouldn't change anything about this truck either. It's so clean. It's got the US mags on here. Nice drill slotted rotors. Big brakes. Frame looks good. Looks like that's had some paint work. I mean, damn, this truck is wet. I'm gonna try to step back so you guys can actually see it from a little bit of a distance. Get a little bit of a better view. Straight, pure sexiness. Here we go. Now this is just like me. Imagine if I could pull up my Camaro next to this guy. The orange and black would be killing it, bro. The orange and black would be killing it. So as you look here we go. Here's an LSA setup, headers, all that kind of stuff. Got the griptec pulley. This thing is super clean, guys. I really like it. This car is in the works. Look, there's the side spears that go along on the car. Got the headlight, hideaway headlight grills. Some interior panels. Work in process here, work in progress, but we're getting there. Nice and low. How low can you go? Beauty. Now this Chevelle here is on a whole nother level. LT4, baby. You gotta love that. Pearl. 4G auto wheels. Let's see if I can get the rear. Look at this pearl. If this thing was in the sun, it'd really be hidden. Custom speaker grills in the package tray right there. I mean, total custom ride. She is an absolute beauty here. Look, the truck is almost gone. Let's take a look at this. This interior is immaculate. This is by far one of the best Chevelles I've ever seen in my life in person. Look at that suede headliner there. Seats, the shifter. I wish this thing was powered up so we could really see it. The true essence of this beauty. It's immaculate. See if we can get a look under the hood, ladies and gentlemen. After we get a front shot. Look at this. Honestly, new cars can't touch this. New cars just cannot touch this quality. This cow induction hood. Then you'll see the crown jewel. Supercharged LT4. Actually, I need that reservoir right there for my ride. That same exact type reservoir. Look at the firewall. The hood hinges. functional induction hood. Man, this is such a beauty. What a well-built car. You guys, like I said, subscribe to the channel. Gonna go ahead and show you guys some more of the goodness over here. Look at this Ford rear end, 9-inch rear end. There's some QA1 coilovers, probably like some 3-way or 2-way adjustable. I'm not 100% sure about that, but they're sexy. Frame is on point. Look at that. Gas tank is on point. Nice large rotors. Brake. Oh my goodness, this is straight killing it. Wow. So here we go. This is my setup. Here is my snout and my brand new griptec supercharger pulley. I also have a solid oscillator on there, the ISO. Too bad this thing wasn't ported. It'd be nice if it was ported. Hey Will, go ahead and hook your boy up with a little port job. You know I'm gonna need that. Another LS motor over here. Anyhow, we'll go ahead and take a look at this last little Impala. On the right side, some Ford engines over there. No, those are GM. LS3, LSA setup, and all that kind of stuff. Super hot. What's going on? Yeah, he's actually he just walked out the door right over there. He's in the front by the truck. Yes. Here we go. Such a beautiful ride. This is another hot one. I wonder if these are the wheel and tire package for it. Or it could be these. You never know. Exhaust setup. Look, these guts are clean. If you guys don't know, red is my favorite color. This thing is nice. It's just dusty because it's been in the shop, but there's not a single wrinkle in this leather at all. Dash is perfect. Got a few webs, so probably been sitting here for some time. But other than that, she is beautiful. All this thing needs is just a fresh wash and it's good to go. Well, that's the man right over there with the black shirt and the black shorts. That's my guy. Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna get ready to hit the road, but I just had to show you the beauty that's here. Let me walk by, don't want to trip, don't want to trip. Check that out. That's pretty cool. She's a beauty, isn't she?
Oh my God.
Man, that's just, it's like too nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'd be worried about anything.
Parking at a good, you don't take it to
Yeah,
the
for
store,
sure.
park in
Yeah,
the Safeway parking lot.
yeah. And you get the trophy for an ultimate grocery getter if you did that. This is what it makes you do. It just makes you get down low. Look at it. Big brakes. Corvette. I know. You got the Corvette brake setup on here.
So who are you?
I'm just a guy that's picking up a part.
Oh, you are?
Yes. A customer, essentially.
I live down the street.
Yeah.
I've been seeing this. I just started down there. So.
Yeah. Quality of cars in here is
That's unbelievable.
top notch. Yep. Well, all right, guys. Thanks for going ahead and checking out your boy, Mr. Too Hard to See. I'm gonna go ahead and fade this video out like that, and maybe I'll be able to put up a couple pictures or something. I'm not too sure, but this place is freaking awesome. And let me go ahead and grab my supercharger snout, and we're gonna see what's up. Just gotta clean it up, but she is good to go. All right, Well, thanks, YouTube. Go ahead and catch your boy on the next one. Look at this T-Rex. Got a pretty sick exhaust on there, carbon exhaust. Look at the saddlebag. I guess that's what you call it. It's got the additional speakers, carbon fiber. I mean, man, this thing is sick as trick out. It's like carbon everywhere on there. Candy paint.